Hi everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to take one of the most popular question is, I'm confused, how can I get started with machine learning? I wanted to get started with machine learning, I have interest in it, but I'm confused. Everyone is telling different things, so where to start? And I recently launched ML001, so how we can get started with your course? This is one of the major problems that I was seeing in all of them on my LinkedIn DMs, or whether it's the comments or etc. Okay, so let's start how you can get started with machine learning. Just first of all, clear your misconception like machine learning is very kind of what the thing is. No, it's not what the thing is. It's kind of okay, you can learn it just following the good path. So in this video, I'm going to just give you a good path of that. Okay, so first of all, how you can get started with machine learning. For getting started with machine learning, you do have some prerequisites that you actually have to fulfill to smoothly run over your machine learning journey. Okay, so some of the prerequisites are that I've already mentioned you in my roadmap for machine learning for becoming a machine learning engineer, which has already been uploaded on Newera. So you can go over there and have a look that how you can what are the prerequisites there. So the prerequisites in an overview, I can tell that it's a Python, and in programming language like Python, Julia are, but it's better to go with Python, and Julia is also a big competitor, so make sure that in mind. And then we have some mathematics, and mathematics also plays an important role into this. So please be sure to do not skip mathematics. If you're not understanding, please start from scratch. That I've done is Algebra 1, Algebra 2, then seeing some stats lectures or linear algebra lecture. But it's better for 9th. I was in 8th where I started, so I'm in 9th now. So I was in 8th that I started, and I started from scratch from mathematics. Okay, so just do the same, cover the good prerequisites that are already listed there, and see if you're fulfilling the needs. And how you can learn mathematics from machine learning is there is a book called Mathematics for Machine Learning. If you are class 12, or you're above, or you're a high schooler, okay, or you are in college, so you can refer that book, which is Mathematics for Machine Learning. That will just refresh your memory of your calculus classes or linear algebra classes, or etc. Okay, so you can refer that Mathematics for Machine Learning book. That's the link in the description box below. But it is a little bit again hard to read that book. Again, I personally not read it, but my friends recommended it a lot. So what I find useful in Mathematics for Machine Learning is there is a lesson which is Geek's lesson. Okay, so 10 hours of classes of calculus are already there specifically for machine learning. So you can also refer that. There is Imperial College London, which hosted the course on Mathematics for Machine Learning that involves first of all algebra, then second is calculus, and third is principal component analysis, like that. Okay, so you can refer that Mathematics for Machine Learning and Spatialization, and all the links will be in the description and marks below, so you can refer that all. So these are the prerequisites that you have to cover. And if you want, I can bring up specifically Mathematics for Machine Learning course that will run a 5-hour course on Mathematics for Machine Learning. So let me know if you want in the comment box below. I'll be very happy to take that course up. But some more courses are in just so it will take a little bit of amount of time. Okay, so this is my just I want to get you know that this fundamentals should be very clear. Fundamentals should be very clear in your machine learning journey. Okay, so it sets up the base, and you have to strong your first base and then bring upon that. Okay, so that's the basic definition. That's the basic that I'm gonna tell you about over here. Next thing I have already answered, that how you can get started for fulfill the prerequisites. Now what? After you fulfill your prerequisites. So I've hosted ML001. It's a free course on Newera. Okay, it's a free course on Newera. That is approximately 12 hours of course, just in different lectures. So you can continue with that ML001, all learning materials, etc. I have devoted my 2 months into this, so it will be it is very good to get started with ML001, because there is a lot more YouTube channel that has done a great job. No kind of comments on that, but something is missing. Okay, I have seen something is missing. Just let me know if you want what is missing in other YouTube channels. I will be very happy to make that video on also. Okay, something is missing that I fulfilled, and also I fulfilled like in textbooks, I have read around 4 to 5 textbooks and as well as taken some courses, and have some experience of reading the research paper. And let me know if you want the book recommendation, although I've given the book recommendation in ML001 also in the last some lectures. Okay, so that you can get started with ML001 if and only if you have fulfilled your prerequisites. Okay, just fulfill your prerequisites and get started with this course, ML001. Okay, it's completely free on YouTube. Let's take an example that you want some personal kind of a live to live, or you don't want to dive into kind of a mathematics. You want to learn in that course only. So there is also called CS001, which covers all your prerequisites except Python. Python is available free on YouTube, so you can learn from there. So you learn mathematics there only, and whole machine learning, including the basics of deep learning, like convolution neural network, recurrent neural network, and some attention mechanisms, etc. Okay, so you can also buy our CS001. Also, we provide a scholarship those who are not able to pay. Okay, so we are very happy to provide you a scholarship. So you can go to antern.co/ML001, or sorry, CS001. Okay, so you can go to antern.co, one of our program which is CS001. You can fill up that form. Soon you will be contacted. Okay, so this is how you ML001 and CS001 are approximately the lectures at ML001 means are good. Okay, are approximately equals to the lectures of CS001. One in machine learning, okay? One in machine learning. Here, CS001, you get a lots of benefits, okay? You get a lots of benefits. Not even a 1% of your doubt comes in your mind. So you can definitely head over to CS001. But ML001 who wants to study for free and have a kind of that kind of understanding, like I can learn from ML001, and it also covers till advanced level, from very basics to an advanced level, covering in depth of each and every algorithm. Okay, so you can see. Let me know if you want the what is the difference between ML001 and CS001. I will be very happy to make that. Okay, so this is how you can get started. It is cover all the prerequisites from the links given in the description box below. Then head over to the ML001, one of my favorite playlists, which is already made by mine. So it just give you the high level, means in-depth understanding, base fundamentals, kind of fundamentals clear. Okay, with practical plus theoretical sessions. Okay, so I hope that you got my intuition that first, prerequisites, second is making your fundamentals strong, okay, and then make some projects and then move on to the deep learning. Okay, so deep learning courses are also coming just after ML002 for free. Okay, so after you cover all of these, you will be very happy. Then you will make your own path of everything. You will get to know what the path are, etc. Okay, so that's the base. That's what I'm going to give it to you as advice. But it's totally your chance. You can either go for just have given you advice. You can first clear the prerequisites and the links of the roadmap for mastering machine learning from prerequisites. Start from prerequisites till advanced machine learning. Okay, and then you can cover that prerequisites and then follow something called as ML001. Okay, if you want kind of a personalized learning, and that means till deep learning or starting from prerequisites, etc. Okay, so you can definitely go for CS001 with lots of benefits provided. Okay, so that's our basic and that's the basic advice for you. And let me know if you have any other questions. I'm very happy to take your questions also. Okay, so I hope that you got your question. Just all the links in the description box below. I'll be catching up in the next video. Till then, bye bye.